Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I got another video for you. Your first time here, my name is Septian. I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today I got an unboxing for you, a company called Tronsmart. These are the Apollo Air Plus, and that plus is important. Now Tronsmart, they've been on my radar. I got the Apollo Air earbuds that I won through the Android Police Gleam giveaway for free. I got the Onyx Apex. I bought these from Geekbuying. These are really good too. Let's see. Let me unearth this box without knocking. I'm gonna knock everything down. Oh man. Okay. I also got these, the Onyx Prime. So yeah, I got a little collection of Tronsmart earbuds here, but this video isn't about those. Reviews gonna be coming soon on those other two. We're here to talk about these. Good earbuds, STEM style. Let's see, I got Qualcomm aptX adaptive. Hybrid active noise cancellation, 20 hours playtime. Qualcomm QCC 3046 chip, 6 mics for crystal clear calls. Let's see here, 35 decibels, full frequency hybrid active noise cancellation. Oh, and in-ear detection, nice. Here's a little diagram or schematic on the side here. Yeah, it's the charging coils right here, the pins. Okay, so these got a dynamic driver inside, because another way to call dynamic drivers is moving coil, and that looked like a moving coil, and that, I guess that's the diaphragm right there. All right, see on the back we got pretty much the same thing as on the front. So we got right here, okay, it says IP45 dust proof and waterproof. Okay, we got app support. It says right here, advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology for a more robust connection and lower latency. Okay. And we see 3 modes switching designed for different usage scenarios. So I'm assuming ANC on, ambient mode on, off. So I'm assuming. Let's say what's inside the box: the buds, warranty card, user manual, storage bag, 4 extra ear tip pairs, and USB-C cable. Y'all ruined the fun, Tronsmart. Alright, safety first. That was easy enough. We put that big thing to the side. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh wait. I was about to troll myself. Ooh, okay. We got some. Oh wow, y'all trying to get big. Ooh, y'all got the big boy pants on. Okay, look at this here. You got feedback ANC and feed forward ANC. That's just basically the mics. Nice. All right. Got a little explainer right here on how hybrid active noise cancellation works. We got the earbuds and the charging case right here. Ooh. Oh yeah, these are definitely the same as the Apollo Air. Same size, same dimensions. They look a little bit bigger. I think these are the, what are these? The Apex, the Onyx Apex. Yeah, these are the Onyx Apex. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Okay, so Apollo Air Plus, and we got the Onyx Apex right here. As you can see, the Apex is more contoured. These are pretty much just straightforward earbud, like a barrel shape. The stem is shorter on the Apex, or the Onyx Apex, so not bad. All right. See, we got the charging case. It's actually got a luminescent or an iridescent like color scheme on it. Got the reset pairing button on the back, USB-C port on the back as well. The LED indicator light on the front, and the lid is the same as the Apollo Air. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the charging case. I'm gonna come back to those in a minute. Oh, look here, you got a little light right there. I'm assuming that lets you know that the earbuds is charged, and the front is for the case. So let's see what else comes inside the box here. Okay, got its warranty card, and I think the user manual's in here. Yep, sure is in here. Yep. Okay, warranty card, and those are your 4 extra ear tips. USB A to USB Type-C cable. Nice presentation. It's very clean. I like a clean, orderly box. Okay, I'm looking at the user manual right now. I want to know whether or not these have full touch controls. I'm going to take a little look at the this little brochure here. Alright, touch controls. Alright, tap 3 times for ANC on and off. 2 taps, pause and play. 2 taps, accept call, end call. Long press, reject a call. So 1 tap, yeah, I don't like that. It's 1 tap and then hold for 2 seconds. Activate voice assistant. Let me see, hold for 2 seconds on the left is previous track. Hold for 2 seconds on the right, next track. Okay, volume up, volume down. Full touch controls. Beautiful. Absolutely amazing. And Tronsmart does have an app. So I'm going to go ahead and pair these up to my 7 Pro that I pretty much destroyed trying to flash Paranoid Android on here. But now I got it back up and running. Alright. Do a little first impressions on these bad boys. Okay. Alright, pair new device. Man, that was fast. You know, it really sucks that the only phone that uses or supports like beyond Qualcomm aptX is a phone that came out in 2019. This pretty much supports everything: SBC, AAC, Qualcomm aptX, Qualcomm aptX adaptive, even supports LDAC. 2019 phone, 2 years old. Okay, we got 40 hours of battery life. Alright, as you can see, HD audio, Qualcomm aptX adaptive. Alright, now let me go into my app drawer and find the Tronsmart app. Here it is. Yeah, you can use my location. Okay, Spunky Beat, Apollo Bold, Apollo Q10. Here we go. There we go. You got you see left and right. You got ambient mode. Gotta turn that on. You got ANC off, and you got ANC on. Let me see. Let me go in here. Okay, here are the these are EQ presets. You got original, deep bass, 3D, hi-fi, classical, vocal, and rock. Now, in my personal experience, this is my opinion, I like the 3D. That's the best one. And here in this little, I guess it's like a nut, I guess it's the settings, you can customize the touch controls. So this app's pretty good. It doesn't have Hear ID like Soundcore, or you know, check your what is it, your fit to see if the earbuds are in your ears good. Make sure you got a good seal. But that's fine. Let me see, what is this? Okay, firmware. Okay, let me see. Do I need to update the firmware? Okay, it says insufficient. Okay, so there's an update for these. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I'm gonna update the earbuds. I'm gonna let them charge for a little bit. Hold up, before I do that, let me go ahead and show you that these do in fact have wireless charging. Let me get my Anchor power pad right quick. Let me pull this from the side. Okay, there we go. Boom. Wireless charging. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna play around with these for a bit and tinker with these. I would love to do another video, but I think I'm coming down with something. I just took some NyQuil severe cold and flu, and oh, I feel a little loopy, man. So this has been the unboxing of the Tronsmart Apollo Air Plus wireless earbuds. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. Enjoy your sound, enjoy your life. I'll see you next time.